A plow point shelter can be a super valuable shelter in any type of survival situation, specifically in very adverse weather conditions. Using the same components we used in our lean-to video, we're gonna make a plow point shelter. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to get started with that. Super simple shelter to set up. It can be used in more adverse type weather conditions. If you really just want to get a shelter set up and get inside to protect yourself from the elements, this is probably a better route to go. So it's really easy. We're using the same components that we used in our lean-to survival shelter. The only difference is we need one other tent peg. So to set this up, we're going to open up our tarp. We're going to take one of our tie-out edges and we're going to do the same basic knot that we used for our lean-to setup. So that's a shoe bow tie knot. Just like we're tying our shoelaces. Wrap that around one time. Just like a shoelace. Now we're going to take our tent pegs and peg out the three sides. And we have ourselves a good plow point shelter. This way, this height actually is going to be probably the most preferred. If it's real bad weather, you can always lower this. But for a general rule, about waist level height is going to be absolutely perfect. So I wanted to thank you for joining me for this video. Simple survival plow point shelter. Again, if the weather is super adverse, just drop the front end down, hunker in here, and keep yourself safe. This was Dan Wowak with Coalcracker Bushcraft. Check us out at coalcrackerbushcraft.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, stay in the woods, guys.